Hey guys, it's a bit of a rainy day outside, so we decided to film a bike check. This is my brother's 2017 Transition ripcord. Starting off here at the front of the bike, my brother is running 24 by 2.4 inch Kenda Kinetic Junior DH tires, laced up on a set of SRAM aluminum all black rims front and rear. On top of those, SRAM hubs front and rear as well. This bike is running Shimano Dior brakes with 160 millimeter rotors front and rear. The front suspension on this bike is a 120 millimeter RockShox Recon with lockout on top and rebound adjustment down here on the legs. 150 centimeter bars. Few little stickers on there. Custom Aaron Gwynn 2 grips. The rear suspension on this bike is a RockShox Deluxe running 100 millimeters of stroke. SRAM cranks, HT pedals. The shifting on this bike is left up to a SRAM GX derailleur. The cassette on this bike is a 1040 SRAM cassette. The seat is a WTB Volt, pretty comfortable from what I've heard. And a few little special things. We got a Hope seat clamp and a Brand X Ascend dropper post. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to have fun out there on the trails. Remember to like and subscribe, too.